Hello viewers, this is Michael Wright on the South Oval of the University of Oklahoma, and this video is about the fact that OU, during the days in which David Boren has been president, has become a very noisy place. Some sort of event is in progress here, celebrating something. I don't know what it is on the South Oval, but the important thing is that we have to be treated to this loud, ugly noise blasting across the campus. This kind of noise making is very prominent at OU and is evidence of the fact that David Boren, the president, former United States Senator, just loves noise, and during his time the campus has been converted into a noisy carnival. Now, my position is that a university campus should be quiet because people should be studying and reading. Imagine if you were a student and you wanted to just sit down on a bench here on the South Oval and read a book. You wouldn't have a chance. I'll be having more videos illustrating this problem at OU. So for the time being, viewers, I wish you a very pleasant day.